Dear students, today I'll discuss the structure of some important complex compound like this is tetrachloridonickalate group. Here this is Cl, chlorido is and the oxidation state of nickel is here +2. That means we know nickel is normally 3D8 4s2. This is the outer electronic configuration. Nickel 2 it has 3D8 electronic configuration. These 4s and 4p are vacant. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Since the chlorido ligand is an weak ligand, it cannot pair up these two electrons. So the hybridization will be sp3 because now these 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals will be filled up by the electron pairs donated by the 4 chlorido ligand. The resulting structure of tetrachloridonickalate 2 will be this is the tetrahedral structure of this complex.